I ain't never seen the righteous forsaken. I'm a living testimony. This hope does not put me to shame. We appear as though we need it, yet making many real.